if this is the LinkedIn clone that I've made, so here this is the homepage and you can see all the posted that is available. And basically we have nice reaction buttons also. Let me show you. So here you can see we have this nice reaction button, comment, repost and share. And above that we have a section just to upload a post. Okay, and we have lots of pages here. Okay, if I click on my network, you can see right now this is the active page. That's why we have a nice highlighted. Okay, now let me show you from beginning. So what I'll do, I'll create a user. Okay, let's create a user. Let's say so many let's say okay, and here you can see the nice validation. Okay, this is the nice validation. By the way, okay, if we click on join now, okay, so it will redirect to this fill up page. Basically, you need to fit and choose the profile pic. Let me select a profile pic. Let's say this, and background image. Let's say this one, and name. Let's say Somen Roy. Okay, and let's say gender is male. Something like let's say backend developer, and also let's say freelancer. Okay, so this is the bio section and latest education. Let's say BTech. Let's say CSC. Okay, and current location, whatever. Let's say Kolkata, West Bengal, and India. Okay, now create this profile so you can see this profile of this user, and here we can also update this. Okay, and we have other sections also. We can add experience here. We can add education projects also. So you can see we have project title, description, URL, and time span. Okay, and we can also add this one. We can also add a skill here. Okay, let me use anything. Let the skill names, let's say node.js, experience level, let's say 7, and certificate, no certificate. Let me add the skills, and if you go to the skill section you can see node.js. Okay, now let me move to another section. This is the home section. We have nice loader. Okay, and here we can upload a post. Let me show you. Okay, let me upload a post. Okay, let's say we're gonna upload image. Basically we can also upload video and take documents also. Let me upload this. Okay, so you can see nice loader, and you can add something finance goods. Okay, so here we can post this. If we post this, you can see nice loading, and after that we'll be getting a post. Now you can see this is the post, and you can also see the timeline also. Okay, so this is the post actually. Okay, so here we can also like, comment other post. Okay, so here we can go to the profile also. You can see this is the profile. Okay, now let me go to this. Okay, here we can like and comment the other post also. Let me show you something. Let's say this is the Ashish business, and let me like this one. Let's say I wanna like this, or I wanna react this one. Okay, so if you click on here, you can see this is, and it increase the reaction. And right now if you click on this is Ashish Vishwas, and if you click on notification, you can able to see this is the notification that this person, okay, let me show you. Okay, this person Somen Roy reacted, and in this post actually, and you can see the timeline also. Okay, now let me go to this section. Okay, now here we can also see the post of Somen Roy, so you can see the timeline also. Now we can also, here we can also this reacted, so you can see this notification. So let me show you this one, Ashish Vishwas like. I can also comment here. Let me comment you. Okay, nice. So nice. If we comment this and click on this, you can see this comment here. Okay, and you can also see that Ashish just commented on your post. Okay, and after that, let me show you other things. We can wrap the comment. Okay, so here actually we can also repost a post. If we click on here, let's say repost this moment I post. Okay, let me click this repost, and if I click on here, you can see this notification also that this person reposted here. Okay, and you can also see this reposted. Okay, so this is Ashish Vishwas reposted this. Okay, so this is the post that is reposted. Okay, and I can also, if I click on here in this, okay, let me come to this. So here right now showing, I can see that Ashish Vishwas reposted this, and I can also see the count of repost. Okay, and here we have some notification for Ashish Vishwas and everything. Okay, and this is notification I can see. And okay, and after that, let me show you. So like, comment, repost, and you can also share this post. If you click on share, we'll be redirecting this, and you can copy and paste. Okay, so this is the home page, and here you can see the connection request. We can send the connection request to Somen Roy. Okay, let me show you to this another page. So this is the home page basically. Okay, we have this kind of functionality. Okay, now let's send request to Ashish Vishwas. So here, okay, so this is the network section, and from this profile, let's send a request. Now look at this. There is no received request right now. If I send a request, you can see Showman Roy in the same request, and this is live. Okay, real time. And if I go to this section, you can also see this is the request sent. Okay, now let me see. Here we can withdraw also, and here this user, that means Ashish Vishwas, can accept this one. If I accept, just look at here. Here the connection right now is only one. Okay, and if I accept this, it will delete from here also and here also, and it is added to the connection. As you can see right now, this is added. Okay, and that is the thing. Okay, now here we can, okay, we can also wrap this also. Okay, with this button. Okay, so this is the section where you can see the receive and send request, and you can also able to get the notifications. You can see so many I send a request, and here you can also see that Archie users accepted your connection request. Okay, that's cool. Now you can also go to the profile, click on this, and will be redirected to the profile page. Okay, now you can check out the connection request also and everything about this user. Okay, now let's do the next section. So this was our network section, and let's move to the job section. So here you can see all the listed job. Okay, all the available listed job, and you can apply also. Now let's say I want to apply this one. So if I click on apply, so you can see right now this is applied. Okay, it's loading. You can see this is applied. Okay, and there is a section. Okay, my job, and you can see the applied job, and you can see the status also. The status is platinum pending. Okay, and you can also see this say post article. There is nothing. That's why. Okay, this is, we can switch over here. Let's move back, and here you can see this is the more icon. From here we can also create a post, create a free job. Okay, we click on here, we'll be able to this page. From here we can also create a job. Okay, that is a section. Now let's move to the, and this is a very brief section for this create job. Okay, and later on we have this message section. Here we can text. Okay, text to all the all the connections one to one. So if I click on here, let's say this is and you also have real-time search, so we can search users here. If we type A, we can see all the users starting from letter A. Okay, and we can also go to the user profile. We have this icon here, you can see this. We can go to profile and we can log out.